morning children, welcome back to our maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, today see page number 100 of your textbook. In our previous class we have seen 101 page. Actually it was homework for you 101 and 102. But we have done some discussion on it. So today it's turn for the page number 100. What topic is given? Our topic is using a price list. Okay, one price list is given, items are given, price in rupees means for per kg. If you want to purchase tomatoes per kg means 1 kg tomato, if you want to purchase you have to pay rupees 8. For 1 kg potatoes 12 rupees. For 1 kg onions 10 rupees, and for 1 kg carrots 16 rupees, and pumpkin 4 rupees. So this is the price list, right? From this price list some questions are given and let's find out the answer of that question. So let's read the first one. What is written? How much does half kg of tomatoes cost? Okay, so the cost of 1 kg is already given here and we have to find out the cost of half kg tomato. So let's find out. What you know children? We know the cost of, here is the answer. So cost of 1 kg tomatoes is equal to, what is given? The 1 kg tomatoes cost, that is rupees 8, but we want for the half kg, so we will write so the cost of half kg tomatoes we have to find out. So what you have to find out? You have to find out half of 8. 1 kg 8 rupees. So for half kg how much rupees? So what you have to find out? You have to find out half of 8, or you can say, how can you write? You can write half multiplied by 8, right? When you multiplied half by 8, so what you get? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So 1 multiplied by 4 divided by this one, that is here. So 4 ones are 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. So rupees 4. So what is the cost of half kg tomato? So the answer we have to write out for that. So we will write the cost of half kg tomatoes is equal to rupees 4. So here we have written cost of half kg of tomatoes. Now let's move toward the B. What is written? The question is which cost is more, half kg of onions or 1/4 kg of carrots? So here I have written the question second, which cost more, half kg of onions or 1/4 kg of the carrots? Here the comparison is given between the onions and the carrots. So first of all we have to find out the price of the onion, half kg onion. Afterwards we will find out the price of 1/4 kg of the carrots, and from that answer we come to know which cost is more. So first of all I have find out for the onions. What is given here? Cost of 1 kg onion, as you know, that is rupees 10, and cost of half kg onions, that we have to find out. So half of 10. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10. I cut here. Now 1 multiplied by this one multiplied by 5 divided by this one I have written. So 1 multiplied by 5, that is 5, and divided by 1. And when we divide any number by 1 we will get the same number. So here what is the cost of half kg onion? So half kg, so what answer we have got? Half kg onions is equal to rupees 5. Now let's find out for the carrots. Okay. So you know what is the rate of the carrot? The rate of the carrot is rupees 16. So the cost of carrots 1 kg, that is 16 rupees. So cost of 1/4 kg carrot is equal to what? So 1/2 of 16, right? So here we will divide this. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So now what we have upside 1 and 4, this 1 and 4, and downside what we have? This one. So 4 ones are 4 divided by 1, and here the answer is rupees 4. So what is the cost of 1/4 kg of carrots? That is rupees 4. So from here you come to know that half kg onion cost is more than the 1/4 kg of carrots. So 1/4 kg carrot it is given rupees 4, and here it is given rupees 5. So from this you come to know that onions price is more than the carrot. So this is the B. Now let's move toward the C. What is the price of 3/4 kg of the potatoes? So here what is the price of 3/4 kg of potatoes? The cost of 1 kg potatoes is 12 rupees. This is already given. Now the cost of 3/4 kg potatoes we have to find out. So 3/4 of 12, right? So here what we will do? 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So what we have? 3 multiplied by 3 divided by this 1. So 3 threes are 9 divided by 1 is equal to rupees 9. So what is the cost of 3/4 kg of potatoes? That is rupees 9. So here I have written the cost of 3/4 kg of potato, that is rupees 9. So children, today up to here, in our next class we will see the D and E of page number 100, right? Now, so I hope that you understand this topic, and we will move towards the next topic afterwards. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. Thank you all.